Every morning, before the city wakes up, something magical begins. It starts with the simplest ingredients, chosen with care.
Quality begins long before the first donut is ever shaped. The dough is mixed slowly, letting every texture come alive. Every fold builds the softness people fall in love with.
Patience is the secret ingredient no recipe can replace. Precision matters. Every donut must be shaped just right. One by one, perfect circles begin to take shape.
Now, the real transformation is about to begin. Fried to golden perfection, exactly the way it should be. Every donut gets the same careful attention, no shortcuts. This is the moment 10,000 donuts a day begins.
A silky glaze adds the perfect touch of sweetness.
Every topping is placed with real craftsmanship.
No two donuts look exactly the same, and that's the charm.
The finishing touch turns a simple donut into art.
Each one is inspected before it's ready to be seen. This is what keeps people coming back, every single day. Every box is packed with the same care as the first.
Behind the scenes, a whole team works to keep up with demand. From the kitchen to the streets, freshness never stops moving.